As we all know, there are different types of animals on our planet, and today we'll be talking about animals that eat grass. These are the animals that are completely fed by plants. This group includes animals that eat leaves, grass, fruits, or nuts. There are some animals that eat grass, and we often know them are usually elephants, cows, horses, sheep, goats, wildebeest, giraffe, rhino, hippo. Elephants. Elephants is the biggest animal that eat grass. They use their trunk to grab food and put it in their mouth. Their main sources of food are grass and other types of trees on the planet. They use their trunk to pull the leaves and branches from high position. Each mature elephant eats around 150 kg of grass, branches, leaves, and fruits per day. Sheep. Sheep are usually raised in groups in order to get meat and their fur. Sheep can eat different types of food such as fresh grass, hay, vegetables like zucchini, pumpkin, carrots, beets. Every day, sheep can eat an amount of starch from 0.1 to 0.3 kg. Horses. Horse is an animal that eat grass. They mainly eat raw food such as fresh grass. When necessary, they can also eat other sources of food that are from plants such as leaves, fruits, trees, bark. Their teeth are almost perfect, with the front teeth playing the role of cutting and chewing food. Other teeth inside are used to smash the food. Horse is an animal that does not ruminate, therefore they only have one stomach. A horse that weighs 450 kg can eat from 7 to 11 kg of food per day, and they usually drink 38 to 45 liters of water.